Hi friends, welcome to our gardening series. My name is Christina and I teach nutrition lessons in some of your schools and classrooms on behalf of CalFresh Healthy Living UC Cooperative Extension. Today I'm going to show you how I plant potato sprouts, carrot, and Brussels sprout seeds in my family's backyard. So let's get started.
First, here is what we'll need. A sprouted potato and a knife to cut the potato with. And we will be sowing or planting carrot seeds and Brussels sprout seeds. So get ready, because today we will be using a flower pot and a raised bed to plant our potato and sow our seeds. Let's start with our potato. As you can tell, this potato has 3 sprouts or baby plants coming out already. Next, I'll show you how I cut my potato in 3 parts so I can get 3 potato plants. Here is a closer look at the potato sprouts. It has 1, 2, and 3 sprouts growing out of the potato peel in areas known as potato islets. Now, we will make 3 cuts with a knife, being careful to cut around the sprouts. Always ask an adult in your home for help when using any sharp tools like knives. Use a flat, hard surface for support as you cut your potato into the number of pieces with sprouts. We now have 3 potato sprouts ready to be planted in our garden bed. Before planting the potato sprouts, make sure that the soil or dirt is loose. Place the potato sprouts where you want to plant them. Next, dig a hole where you want to plant your sprouts and place them in. Then, cover them with dirt. As you can see here, I made dividers out of sticks. This will help to tell apart where my potatoes are from any other plant. Now, we will get this side of the divider ready to sow or plant our carrot seeds. It's important to read the seed packet instructions, as it will have important information about how to grow the seeds, like how much sun the seed will need and how deep we need to plant them. According to the seed packet, we will be sowing our seeds 1/2 inch deep in the dirt. As you can see here, we are using our finger to dig 1/2 inch while making 2 rows, which is where we'll sow the carrot seeds. Now let's open our seed packet and put some of the carrot seeds on the palm of our hand. Let's take a few of the seeds and sprinkle them inside the 1/2 inch deep opening in the soil, also known as dirt. Once you're done sprinkling in the seeds, cover the opening with the soil, like this. If you like, you can also put a garden sign or label of what it is that you planted. You can write it out, or you can put a picture of what you're trying to grow. Since we are trying to grow carrots here, we will use the empty seed packet to label what we've planted. Now it's time to water our potatoes and tiny carrot seeds. This will help them grow strong and healthy. Lastly, we will also sow Brussels sprout seeds in our home garden. Again, make sure to prepare the soil so that it's loose and ready. Let's read that packet label. To get ready to sow our Brussels sprout seeds, let's open our seed packet and, using a garden tool like a hand shovel, or you can even use your fingers again, dig a 1/4 inch deep opening in the soil. Go ahead and sprinkle in the seeds in the opening. And once you're done, cover the opening again with the soil. Using the packet label again, we will use it to label what we've planted in our garden. And remember to water these tiny Brussels sprout seeds too. Thank you for joining our CalFresh Healthy Living UC Cooperative Extension team. Until next time.